Ronnie was born at Basildon Hospital, part of Mid and South Essex NHS Trust, into a maternity unit that had been at the centre of whistleblowing allegations. Data from NHS Resolution, also obtained by Channel 4 News through a Freedom of Information request, reveals that over a 10-year period, the Essex Trust recorded claims for 36 deaths, proportionately far higher than Nottingham. They also recorded 27 stillbirths and 55 babies born with brain damage or cerebral palsy. So far, they have paid more than £103 million in damages for 176 claims. In a statement, the Trust said,
"Our thoughts and deepest sympathies go to both the families of Gabriella Pintillier and Ronnie Sullivan. Both cases have been fully investigated as serious incidents, and we've made sure that the Trust has learnt and continues to learn from these events. Over the last few years, we've made improvements to our maternity services, including recruiting 40 newly qualified midwives, a consultant midwife, practice development midwives and maternity care assistants, and securing almost £2 million in funding for the further recruitment and development of staff."